Hi, I'm Brandy. This is Hound Dog Hollow, and today I'm going to be unboxing my April 2022 Witch's Moon box. Very excited. I have managed to avoid all spoilers, so let's check out what we got. Ooh, I love the artwork. Alright, let's check it out. I'm so excited. Alright, we've got a beautiful oracle card. Wolf, Pathfinder. Beautiful. Deep Within the Woods. It's our theme. We've got an absolutely lovely, lovely artwork sigil. Love that. So excited. Magical Tree Companion. Oh, I love it. I don't know if I have alder. I've got a little dogwood. Definitely hawthorn. Definitely oak. Definitely cedar. I know I have a chestnut. And we've got Japanese maple. Definitely pine. No willow. No cypress. So cool. I absolutely love this. This is very, very cool. This is definitely a keeper. Although I love the art. I'm not gonna lie. It's one of my favorites. Moroccan clay. Very cool. Astralargus roots. Interesting. Chia seed. The Wooded Sanctuary Sacred Salt. Yum, yum. Oh my god. Alright, let's look at our... We've got a spray this month. Green Goddess. Let's give her a smell. Oh my, it smells like the forest floor. I love it. Which, by the way, is forest is one of my favorite smells in the world. And so is ocean. Ooh, we've got a candle. Keep it there so we can keep all of its little parts together. We've got Breath of the Forest. And it smells just absolutely divine. What do we got here? Oh my. You can't see it, but it's got like an iridescence to it. It's very, very lovely. Alright. Oh my god, what a beauty. What a beauty. It looks like Grandmother Willow. Oh my god, I love it. Oh, she's so pretty. Oh golly. Okay, let's get situated, guys, so we can read the insert. I love that. My husband's gonna put that somewhere in here. Or honestly, if I wasn't terrified of it getting destroyed, I have an oak tree that I would love to attach it to. So you'd be walking by the, well, you shouldn't be walking because you shouldn't be on that part of my property. But we could walk by it and just see her beautiful face. I've also, I've thought about putting Virgin Mary statues and natural alcoves just all over the place. I would just absolutely, it's one of my life goals. If you're a Virgin Mary statue maker and you want to partner with me, that would be like super, super fun. But I digress. What I'm doing right now is just getting everything out of the way so that I have a nice space here. I could put everything in the frame so we can look at it together as we talk about it, and also just keeping myself organized so that I can go through about you know, the 20 some odd boxes that I got to get through, that I get to get through, that I have paid for, that I get to enjoy, that I'm blessed to enjoy. All right, as we walk along our magical paths, we can easily be burdened and distracted by what is happening everywhere around us, convincing ourselves that it must be more important than what lies before us. Although we are surrounded by important components of life, it is not until we walk deep into the woods or away from confusion and clutter that we can truly coincide with purpose and practice. It is within this state that we are perceptive to hearing from our guides and guardians. In this extremely exclusive collection, we work with aspects of the deep woods that can bring us comfort, guidance, and grounding. Join us in April as we work with ancient guides and call upon their inspiration, a true witch's companion. The magical items in this box are as follow. Hand-carved Earth Spirit Companion. Let me read a little bit about this. So, you know, they're talking a little bit about history and the green man and the forest deities. The hand-carved Earth Spirit Companion that has been created exclusively for the subscribers of the Witch's Moons comes from the ethically sourced fallen and broken branches of the Gliricidia tree and has been naturally collected over the course of many moons. The bottom of this hand-carved spirit has been cut to stand on an altar or to be placed on a magical shelf near potted plants or within your magical garden. I just love this. Near potted plants. I have a collection of potted plants, and a lot of them are in like terracotta, and I could just, because that's actually how I display my Virgin. I have a huge, not huge, she's just 2 feet, a 2 feet Virgin Mary, and I have her surrounded by foliage, because that's, I mean, to me, Virgin Mary and Mother Earth are the same energy, but, or very, you know, as faces of the same energy. Different faces of the same energy, just like, you know, I am a mom, I am a nurse practitioner, I am a wife, I am a friend. Different faces of the same entity, right? Just absolutely love it. And I would love to have a bigger altar with her and plants, and just not, you would see her, but would you see her? I would love that. I would love it to be a delightful surprise when you came to that area. Sorry, I got off on a tangent. The bottom, so you will notice a small circle placed above the eyes, representing the second sight associated with all living things able to view and perceive the world in new ways. Each carving is truly unique and will not match another. These have specifically been created to represent our connection to the natural world and to foster our innate ability to call upon spirits to provide offerings and seek wisdom, guidance, or inspiration. Know that this companion carries within it a naturally charged earth spirit and can bring new insights and living energies. You will find that when you begin to truly become involved with the nurturing of your soul and emotional body. Wow, so cool. Maybe I can have Daddy build her an alt. Well, I'm just, it's nice when I find something that so deeply resonates with me. I mean, I love stuff, but I mean, it's hardly ever where I feel super inspired and like, oh, how am I gonna place this, and what would be the best place, because I naturally would love to have it somewhere safe outside, but I also like the houseplant idea too. So a magical tree companion book of shadows, we went through that. It's amazing. I love it. To call upon the guardian sigil artwork, love it. Beautiful, excellent, from Book of Shadows. Rough fuchsite stone. This is just lovely. Absolutely lovely. Hand-rolled earth wisdom spell candle. What are we rolled in? Connection with natural energies. It's been rolled in dandelion leaf. And it also has lang lang, cedarwood, and sandalwood oil on it. Very cool. Green Goddess Ritual Spray. This smells absolutely divine. To enhance the natural glow that surrounds you in your sacred space. Cedarwood, green tea, sandalwood, chamomile, cypress, and clove with the Earth Mother magical oil. It smells divine. Celebratory salt. It has green tea, clove, and cedarwood, as well as green tea, lavender, and peppermint herbs. And a mixture of our tree nests. So cool. Breath of the Forest ritual incense sticks, and they smell divine. Ooh, here's one. I don't think I have any astrologus root. This has been a box of lots of things that I do not have that I absolutely love. Knuckle bones. Huh. I'm not familiar with it. Moroccan red clay. Usually within cosmetics. Mojo bags or poppets to bring cleansing and radiant energies. Chia seed. Protection and healing. Personalized oracle reading from Spirit of the Animals Oracle. And parchment paper. Wow, you guys. I love the Witch's Moon. I love the Witch's Moon, and I have for years. And they still, all these years later, just like surprise me, delight me, like intrigue me. Always something different. They are so creative. I love this box. It was extremely challenging for me, and I've been thinking about it for months and months and months and months. To skip a month, it was so painful for me because I just have so much FOMO about it. But I talked myself down, and I'm like, number one, they still sell pass boxes. If it's something I just cannot live without, I can get it. Number two, everything that's meant to me will come for me. These are all individual. She was meant for me. She will come to me. It will come to you if it's meant for you. And number three, practically in my actual practical life, what I'm doing is hoarding as opposed to practicing. And so that is not their intention either. So it's a fine line, and you guys will always have to estimate it for yourself. I might have more time now. I almost certainly will have more time. Now, let me tell you guys, grad school in a pandemic while you're full-time nursing is for the birds. It's for the birds. I'm looking forward to having more time to work on my family and myself and my practice and bringing this beautiful baby into the world. It's going to be just delicious. Just delicious. And I'm going to be heavily pregnant in the fall, which is my favorite season. It's such a blessing. But I digress. As always, please like, comment, and subscribe. If you have the means and if you're interested, check out this box. I love them. They put so much love and energy, and they're such amazing. Like, I have corresponded with them over the years, and they are just so wonderful. Like, these are good people. And they make a good product. So I highly recommend them to you. As always, like, comment, and subscribe. I love you guys so much, and I'll talk to you soon.